it's me today. It's me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also share with friends and family. Today, let's just get right into the video. And today we're going to be fidget trading with my brother. First, I want to show you guys some new fidgets that I got. I got some new specs. I love specs so much, and I really like them. Then I didn't get a lot of new poppets, except for this one, and this one. So those are some of the only poppets that I got that are new. You saw in my haul that I got new monkey noodles. So that's basically all the only new stuff that I got. So let's just get right into it, okay? These are my fidgets. These are my brother's fidgets. Okay, Dre, you put up first. Okay, slime. Okay, I'm gonna put up. What am I gonna put for slime? I'm gonna put up. And oh, you're so cute. I was talking to my cat and this. Yeah, that's good. I think that's good. Oh, and snake thing. This is stressful. What I made on this DIY Simple Dimple. Deal. I think that was a good deal. Let me just put this right over here. Should I put that in the back because there's not a lot of stuff in there. Should I offer now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna offer.
Let's see what's in the background.
I didn't want to do that. I'm gonna offer this, guys.
Wait,
Here, I'm gonna put it first. By the way, guys, this is metal, like real metal, and it feels really good.
And this. Take your leave.
Guys, you think we should have this? I know it's not the greatest, guys, but you know, sometimes you gotta give up stuff for new stuff. These are all my stress balls, by the way, so I'm putting all this stuff here. This is the stuff I usually don't trade because it's bad. By the way, guys, these two are my two color changing needles. See, that's my blue one. This is my yellow one. I'm not trading on. Sorry, guys. You can't see that I'm getting traded. Maybe my DIY squishy, but I kind of like this a lot. I'll put this. Let's see what he has to offer for it. Actually, no, it's his turn to offer. Then I can offer it. Okay, you offer.
I'll put up this.
Guys, I don't have a lot of stuff for that, but I'm just gonna surprise and give them some of my specs. Don't tell them, okay? Look. Guys, there's actually all of these here. I've actually more than I got from my friend, my first friend. And that thing's horrible. And I already have one of those, and I'm giving you specs.
There's just a little.
Fine, then I'm declining.
Bye.
Guys, I was way over, but I just want to say that I was fine with that because I have a lot more left. Yeah, he scammed me. But look at all these. So I just want to fix.
What if she scammed me?
Because I didn't scam him. Okay. Putting up this. This.
This and this. And that's enough. Take her or leave it.
Take it.
You take it.
Oh, that was a bad trade. Can I offer for this wacky check?
No.
Can I offer for a second? Is that guys? I'll be right back.
Hey.
Can I offer for not this piece? Can I offer for this little piece?
No.
What? Oh, guys,
You need a big wacky.
he's not even letting me offer for this. Here, have
I
that.
need to make a big part of a wacky cat. So put it back.
Fine. Fine. Then I'm gonna offer something. Guys, he has to go ahead and eat. Guys, what should I offer? What should I offer?
Offer!
Just this one.
I'll give you the piece of the wacky cat for a pocket. Just kidding.
No, you'd have to add. Guys, I don't know what to
There's
say.
always fidgets. You know there is one. If you give me a pocket, I would give you a pocket. Give me a pocket, then I'll give you a pocket.
I'm getting it over there.
Give me a pocket, and I'll give you a pocket. Like a real
Putting in a monkey noodle.
poodle.
It's a monkey noodle, by the way, guys.
Poodle.
Oh, look at my little chicken.
I will offer this, and that's dessert.
What?
That's dessert.
Fine.
Thanks.
I said decline.
Yeah, what?
Does anyone else have any offers?
Yeah.
Okay, well, taking it away. Guys, I can't believe we're gonna offer something good for this. So I'm making an offer. Your turn to offer.
Your turn to offer.
No, Andres, just offer.
These.
Guys, he just offered his fancy offer. Fine, then I'm offering this.
0.
But you have to add.
What?
I,
Wow, don't offer this peacock. Just kidding.
whatever.
It's.
I'm not gonna make more of these. Oh, there's a piece of sand right there. Hey, give me sand. Guys, that was such a bad trade. You're probably gonna say no, but like, can I offer first? No, that's
Not your spots.
can I offer for your? Guys, he's probably gonna say no, but I'm gonna ask him if I can offer for his pea popper. So yeah. Can I offer for your pea popper?
No. Really?
Yeah.
What do you think I'm gonna say?
No.
No. Let's see what you have to offer.
Ooh, okay.
See what you have to offer.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to get a good trade. Let's see, I'm gonna give him this. My DIY, I mean, no, not that. I'm gonna give him this adjustable.
This is a good thing. So we good thing.
Then I'll give him.
Good thing.
Well, I guess I'll give him this, even though I worked like really hard on it, and he might break it. But then.
No, I am.
Okay, I'll add in this, and let's see. Hey, keep your thing on the board, Andres. I'll add a monkey noodle.
And.
I'll add stressful.
And.
I'll add this.
And.
Fine. Guys, if he's not gonna accept after this, I'm probably gonna decline.
It's a bad thing that I'm gonna decline.
I'm having my mochi.
I decline.
What?
Nah.
Guys, that was a really good deal. I don't know why. He's just, I think it's because he just doesn't have digits. See you in the next trade. Guys, he put up specs. Let's do this.
Deal.
Okay. Actually, I just want to add this in.
Way too much.
Expected.
Way too much.
I don't think that was way too much. Specs are pretty rare. He doesn't know anything about fidgets. So I gotta put them in the rest of my specs. Where the rest of my specs? Where the rest of my specs? Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of our fidget trading today. This is one of the longest videos I've done since a while. So, bye guys.
Bye.
Like and subscribe, and also share with friends and family if you want to see more fidget trading with my brother. Bye.